In earlier sessions, we were discussing on type 4 problems on AP and GP. Type 4 problems on AP and GP, where a number will be given and that will be divided as 3 numbers either in AP or in GP. Sometimes problem arises as like this. I have taken 2 specific problems here for discussion case. The 2 problem discuss பண்ணுவோம். அதுக்கு பிறகு odd number divide பண்றதுக்கும் even number divide பண்ணுவோம். எப்படி அந்த arrangements எடுக்கணும், எப்படி sequence எடுக்கணும்ங்கறது நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So I have 2 problems for you here. First problem, 3 numbers are in AP and their sum is 21. So I have 3 numbers in an AP and if I add it will be 21. If 1, 5 and 15 are added to them respectively, so I am adding 1, 5 and 15 to that, okay, respectively in order. They form a GP. So it's a AP and GP problem. We have to find the numbers are, okay. Since 3 numbers are in AP, I'll take the 3 numbers as A plus D, previous one, A minus D. I'll take the 3 numbers as A plus D and A minus D. It's given the sum is 21, so if I add A minus D plus A plus D, if I add, this will be 21, which is 3A is equal to 21, which is A is equal to 7. So I got A value as 7. We are asked to find the numbers. If I want to find the numbers, I want to know the value of A and D both. A and D தெரிஞ்சாதான் உங்களால இந்த சீக்வென்ஸ்ல இருக்க நம்பர்ஸை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். I have only A, but another hint has to be given to find this D. இன்னொரு hint என்ன பண்ணிருக்கானா, in terms of GP ல கொடுத்திருக்கா, it's given that if 1, 5 and 15 are added to this, which means the numbers are A minus D, which is 7 here A. So 7 minus D is one number. Another number is 7. Another number is 7 plus D. To these 3 numbers, if I add 1, 5 and 15 respectively in order. In the respecting word miss பண்ணிரக்கூடாது, நம்ம இஷ்டத்துக்கு ஆட் பண்ண கூடாதுங்கிறதுக்காக தான் அந்த word. So it should maintain the orderங்கிறது தான். So if I add 1 here, 5 here and 15 here, the sequence which I get will be in GP ன்னு சொல்லிருக்கான். Okay, will be in GP. So if I add this will be 8 minus D. If I add here, this will be 12. If I add here, this will be 22 plus D. So this is the link I have for the 3 numbers. Since this is in GP, there will be a common ratio between the 3 numbers, which will be, if this is A, this is B and C, the ratio will be B by A, which will be the same as C by B. So if I apply for this, 12 by 8 minus D, this will be equal to 22 plus D divided by 12. So if I cross multiply and get an equation, I can get the value of D. I can substitute in this, I can get the numbers. So let me get the value of D here. I cross multiply so that this is 144 is equal to 22 plus D into 8 minus D. So this is 22 into 8, so 176. So 176, let me write directly, plus 8D minus 22D minus D squared. So I'll be getting a quadratic equation so that I'll get 2 D values. Okay. So this is 176. This is minus 14D minus D squared, and here I have 144. Let me have the proper format of quadratic equation with D square as positive. So D square I have taken. 14D, if I take it to the other side, this will be plus 14D. Okay. And 176 plus 144 minus, if I bring it to the other side, this will be minus 32 after subtraction. This is equal to 0. So let me solve this D value now. So if I go for the factorization method, 32 minus 32, I want to get 14. So this is 16 2s plus 16 and minus 2. So let me have D squared minus 2D plus 16D minus 32 equal to 0. So this is D into D minus 2 plus 16 into D minus 2 equal to 0. So I have D plus 16 as one value and D minus 2 as another value. So I have 2 values here, D equal to minus 16 and D equal to 2. So let me check with both the values here. So one is D is equal to minus 16, என்ன ஆகுதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். and my values here are 7 minus d, 7 and 7 plus d. And let me also check with d is equal to 7. So rendume check panni paakalam inga. Okay, sorry, not d is 7, d is 2. So d is 2. Rendume check panni paakalam. When it is 16 minus 16, so 7 minus of minus 16, comma 7, comma 7 minus 16. So this will be 23, 7 and 9, minus 9. If I take d equal to 2, if I take d equal to 2, I have here, so 7 minus 2, 7 and 7 plus 2. So this is 5, 7 and 9. Both are in AP only. Your answer can be anything. Just choose the right option and get your marks. So this is one problem where we have AP, that is the three numbers are in AP, and also GP is involved. It's a combined problem. Ninga exam la AP மட்டும் பார்த்துட்டு போய் GP miss பண்ணீங்கன்னா you cannot understand this problem. So இந்த இடத்துல apply பண்ணுங்கிறது தெரியணும். So this is the only important thing you have to understand here. So this is one unique problem. And let me go here, the second problem. Find the three numbers in AP. Again, it's with respect to three numbers now. Three numbers in AP whose sum is given, and sum of its squares is 44. And sum of its squares is 44. So I have to find three numbers in AP, which is A minus D. Whenever it is given three numbers, our three numbers in the AP sequence will be always A minus D, A and A plus D தான். அப்பதான் நீங்க cancel பண்ணும்போது D cancel ஆகும், you'll get only 3A. It's given whose sum is 6. So if I add this, A minus D plus A plus D. So you can find here D cancels, so D vanishes, which is equal to 6. So I can get 1, 2, 3, 3A equal to 6, which is A equal to 2. So I got the value A equal to 2. And also it's given find of its and sum of its squares is 44. So I take A minus D the whole square, sum of its squares, sum of each number. I have to take the square of each number. So A minus D is one number, I square it, then A square, then A plus D is another, the last number, so I square that also. If I square all these, I'll get 44 nu kuduthirukam. Okay, இது கஷ்டமான ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் இல்லை. இந்த வேர்டிங்ஸை மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பில் போட தெரியணும், வேறு ஒன்றும் இல்லை இதில். Okay, so with the help of this and with the help of A is equal to 2, I can get the value of D so that I can get the three numbers here. பண்ணிடுவோமா? A minus B the whole square, identity தெரியும்ல, I'm just substituting that. I may substitute A is equal to 2 here also. So 2 minus D the whole square plus 2 square, 4 plus 2 plus D the whole square is equal to 44, right? A minus B the whole square identity. So A square 4 plus B square plus D square minus AB, 2AB. So minus 4D. So minus 4D plus 4 as it is plus A square 4 plus B square D square plus 2AB, so plus 4D, which is equal to 44. If you find anything to get cancelled, yes, you can cancel here itself. So if you check here, I have minus 4D and plus 4D, you can cancel here. Grouping பண்ணீங்கன்னா, you have D square, so 2D square, and 1, 2, 3. You have 12, so plus 12, which is equal to 44. So 2D square is equal to 44 minus 12, so which is 22. 2D square is 22, so D square is equal to 11, D is equal to plus or minus 11. 32, sorry, 32. So this is 32, so this will be 16, yes, this will be 16, so D will be equal to plus or minus 4. So whenever you get two values of D, if you are writing a descriptive question, better go for both the values of D. That will help you with the final answer. If you are with the options, ningle guess pannidalam, no issues. So here I'll go with D is equal to plus 4 for one sequence and D is equal to minus 4 for one sequence, another sequence. So when A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 4, the value will be 2 minus 4, 2 and 2 plus 4. So this is minus 2, 2 and 6. When your value is minus 4 for the D, so this will be 2 minus of minus plus 4, 2 and 2 minus 4. So this will be 6, 2 and minus 2. ரெண்டுமே சேம் நினைக்காதீங்க, it's different. Here minus 2, 2, 6. Here it is 6, 2 -2. Ordering is important. ஏன்னா sequence-நாலே ordering தான். இந்த இடத்துல A ஓட value, that is the first, not A ஓட value, first value is -2. Here the first value is 6. First term of the sequence differ ஆச்சுன்னா D ஓட வேல்யூவும் differ ஆகும் chances இருக்கு. So you cannot say both the sequences same தானே சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க மாத்திடாதீங்க. And especially இது வந்து objective type questions இருக்கும்போது this order is very very important. So இந்த ordering வந்து check பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். Is it okay? Okay, fine. So these two problems we have seen. Usually ஒரு doubt வரும். இந்த 3 numbers எடுக்கும்போது that is AP வந்து 3 ஆ ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணும்போது இந்த மாதிரி எடுக்கிறோமே and GPல நம்ம டைப் 4 ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோம். A, AR and previous one A by R எடுப்போம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோம். அதே மாதிரி 4 நம்பர்ஸா இருந்தா எப்படி இருக்கும், 5 நம்பர்ஸா இருந்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்னு சொல்லிட்டு யூசுவலி டவுட்ஸ் வரும். So I will discuss here not the problems and the structure எப்படி வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம இங்க பார்க்கலாம். So we have the structure for division problems. So I'll take the structure here, that is how can I arrange the numbers in sequence. Arrangement of numbers in sequence. Let me go for the arithmetic progression. Okay, let me write here for arithmetic progression and for geometric progression. With respect to 3 parts, as we discussed and the earlier sessions we had discussed for GP also. So let me go with 3 parts. If I go with 3 parts, I'll take the center value as A. Please make a note. எப்போமே center value A எடுத்தோமோ நம்ம படிச்சது எல்லாமே we have learned A as a first term. அது எப்போமே அதே மாதிரி எடுக்கணும்னு அவசியம். To get the logic we are taking as A. இங்க நான் Aங்கிறது center term எடுக்கிறேன். So the next term will be A plus D. The previous term will be A minus D. This is what we discussed here. Okay. And we have discussed for GP also where the center term will be A. The next term will be, what's GP now? You're multiplying with the common ratio R, right? So AR. And the previous term will be A by R. This is with respect to GP, right? If I go with 5 parts, before I go for 4 parts, let me go with 5 parts. In a sense, with respect to odd numbers, if I go for 5 parts, up and now, as usual, center A, next one A plus D, previous one A minus D, the next one A plus 2D, the previous one A minus 2D. If you check, if you add, all the D's will get cancelled. One point. Another point என்ன check பண்ணனும், difference D வந்து கரெக்ட்டா வரதான்னு பார்க்கணும். ஏனா இங்க add பண்ணா I'm getting D. Yes, right. இங்க add பண்ணாலும் D வரணும். Yes, I'm getting it right. No issues. Subtract பண்ணா minus D, இங்கேயும் subtract பண்ணா minus D. No issues. இந்த மாதிரி வந்துச்சுன்னா எனக்கு ஒன்றும் problem இல்ல. I will have the 5 values of 5 numbers in sequence. If I go for GP, it's the same here. Instead of D adding or subtracting, I'll take here R multiplying and dividing. So A, next is AR, the previous one is A by R, here the next one. I got this by multiplying R, right? Previous one, I got it by dividing by R, right? So again I have to multiply by R. So this will be AR square. In the side, the very first term, A by R square. Already I have A by R. Again divide by R. So this will be A by R square, right? This is with respect to 5 parts. You can just generalize with respect to 7 parts or 9 parts or whatever it is with respect to odd numbers. Here comes the problem with respect to even numbers. இப்போ 3 parts or 5 parts center value A ன்னு எடுக்கிறது. Even number இருந்தா என்ன பண்றது? I'll not find the center value, right? அப்போ எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா will fix one area like 3 parts இருந்தா, sorry not 3, 4. 4 parts இருந்தா, let me have the value A plus D. Okay, I'll take 2 jumps, even number of jumps எடுத்துப்பேன் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்போ this will be A plus 3D. Okay, அப்போ A plus D க்கும் A plus 3D க்கும் எவ்வளவு டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு? 2D டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு. எப்பவுமே நம்மளுக்கு D நாலே காமன் டிஃபரன்ஸ் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. அந்த D என்ன வேல்யூ வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். இங்க வந்து D வந்து என்னவா எடுக்கணும்னா 2D ஆ எடுக்கணும். So this is 2 jumps. The previous one -2. So the previous one -2. So -2 jumps. அப்போ D இருக்குன்னா 0 ஆயிருக்கும், அதுக்கு பிறகு -D ஆயிருக்கும். Am I right? 0 ஆயிருக்கும், அதுக்கு பிறகு -D ஆயிருக்கும். So this is A minus D. And I have to go for one more. So -D லந்து -2D -3D. So this will be A minus 3D. So I have 4 numbers. So I am starting from here, A plus D, 2 jumps here, and to the left hand side, 2 times of 2 jumps. Okay. This is with respect to even numbers, that is with respect to 4 parts. When this case goes for GP, இதே மாதிரி தான் நம்ம எடுக்க போறோம். AR will fix, okay, AR 2 jumps. அப்படின்னா rலேருந்து ஒரு jump will be r square, another jump will be r cube. So I'll take ar power 3. Previous one, r is there, so it will be 1. Previous na division illa, r by r 1. Again divide by r. அப்போ this will be a by r. Is it okay? a னு போடக்கூடாது இங்க aங்கிற ஒரு term இருக்காது. Okay. Then previous jump, 1 by r square, again one jump 1 by r cube. So this will be a by r cube. So this will be your sequence with respect to GP. This will be your sequence with respect to AP. You have to take this in your mind. ஏன்னா இது அப்படியே நீங்கள் வந்து லாஜிக்காக இல்லாமல் நம்ம இஷ்டத்துக்கு போட முடியாது. நம்ம இஷ்டத்துக்கு போட்டால் the question gets complicated. ஏன்னா கேன்சல் பண்ணும்போது கேன்சல் ஆகாது. இங்கே ப்ராடக்ட் எடுத்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது, so if you take the product and multiply, நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணிங்கன்னா RR will get cancel. கொஞ்சம் ஈஸி கோயிங்காக இருக்கும். R cube will get cancel. So என்ன வரும்னா AR per 4 வரும். And this value will be given as a hint in the question. You can easily substitute and get the value. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு லாஜிக்கலாக நீங்கள் இந்த சீக்வன்ஸ் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணால் மட்டும் தான் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். Is it okay? Fine.